Hey everyone, welcome back. Today on 4 Low Rocks, we're going to show you how to mount your portable handheld radio equipment inside your JL Wrangler. You know, not too long ago, I posted a video about installing a CB radio antenna on my new JL Wrangler. And at the time when I left the video, I told you that I didn't have an eloquent way to mount the radio equipment inside the Jeep. So my CB connected to the antenna has just been kind of riding in the cup holders for a while. Then I fashioned a zip tie way to hold it to the grab bar. But neither of those were very good. But today we've got a new solution for that. So let's take a look inside. So here it is, the completed product. This is a handy dandy grab bar mount by a company called JeepUniq, who came to market with this just about the time that I was ready to go for something different. I have a very nice U-clamp that I have for my Harley-Davidson motorcycle that works well all over the bike, and I was going to use it on the grab bar here along with a ram mount to mount the radio equipment somewhere here in this vicinity near the center stack. And about the time I was ready to order the JeepUniq parts and the radio or the ram mount to make that work, I noticed that JeepUniq had come up with something similar to what they offered for the JK models, and that's this grab bar mount. This JeepUniq JL radio holder for the grab bar in the JL Wrangler is very similar to a product that they've been selling on their site for JK Wranglers and other vehicles for quite some time. Installation was rather straightforward and pretty easy. This one is specifically configured for my Midland CB as well as my Baofeng ham radio. The CB just slides right into the holder using the belt clip just like that, and the Baofeng uses this belt clip on the back to slip right over the top and sit there. These are pretty sturdy. They don't bounce around much on the trail. They hold things nice and handy. They're within easy reach, easy to use, and I can hear the audio from both of the radios very easily on the trail as we're out with the local Jeep clubs. Installation was relatively straightforward and simple, requiring almost no tools, but I don't want to take the mount back off of the grab bar because you have to spread it open quite a bit, and I don't want to take the risk of breaking it. Not that I think it'll break, but I just don't want to have to do that again. There was a bit of a challenge in installing the clamps that are on the bottom of the unit here, because once you spread it open and get it around this mount, I couldn't get it squeezed together close enough to get the clamps into the channel to hold it together. What I had to do was use a pair of pliers to grip it really tightly while I installed these clamps. But that worked well because, as you can see, it's holding it on there very nice and tight. And that's the assembled package for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe below, and come back to 4 Low Rocks for more content for your JL Wrangler in the future.